Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to check people who unfollowed you on Instagram. So first of all we will just go to the Instagram here. I will open my Instagram account. So I will tell you the truth, I'm not going to misguide you guys. So the thing is that you can't check that who followed you on Instagram, right? Because there is a no such option, there's a no such feature, there's a no third party application where they can help you to find this. So you have to use a manual method which I will show you, and this is not 100%, but I can assure you that this works. And this only works if you have a small following number, right? Following a followers number. So here let's say that you have been following to somebody and the same account has been following you. So obviously it will show up in your follower section. Right now, for example, there's a one account who unfollowed you. So you can just go and check your following section and you will get to know that who unfollowed you, right? So this is the only method which works. Unfortunately, there's no any way to check this up, right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe.